Welcome back. The Supreme Court suspended attorneys Rose Beatrix or Trixie Angeles and attorney Wiley Paler from the practice of law for 3 years. Supreme Court Public Information Office Chief Teodore Te made the announcement. Now, the decision stemmed from a complaint filed by Angeles and Paler's former client, Cleo Dongaas. According to the statement released by the Supreme Court, the complainant engaged the services of the respondents to handle the annulment of his marriage, and he paid a total of 350,000 pesos to respondents in installments, which amounts were duly received. Now, despite constant follow-ups, respondents were unable to produce a petition for annulment. They gave various reasons for their failure to do so. It included that there was no record of marriage. Now, the Dongaas asked the two lawyers to refund the 350,000 pesos in legal fees, but Angeles and Paler refused. The IBP investigating committee found that the respondents were liable administratively and recommended a 4-month suspension from the practice of law. The IBP Board of Governors sustained the finding of liability but recommended a higher penalty of 2 years suspension from the practice of law. Now, the Supreme Court adopted the findings of the IBP but imposed a higher penalty of 3 years suspension from the practice of law.
Second matter. In the matter of AC number 11113, Cleo Dongaas versus attorney Rose Beatrix Angeles, attorney Wiley Paler, and attorney Angeles Gandea of the Angeles Gandea and Paler Law Office. The court today ordered the suspension of attorneys Rose Beatrix Angeles and attorney Wiley Paler from the practice of law for 3 years for violation of Rule 1.01, Canons 1, 7, and 11, and Rule 18.03, Canon 18, and Rule 16.01 and 16.03 of Canon 16. The suspension is effective upon finality of the decision. The complaint against attorney Angeles Gandea is dismissed for lack of merit. Respondents Angeles and Paler are directed to return to complainant Dongaas the legal fees they receive from the latter in the aggregate amount of 350,000 pesos within 90 days from the finality of this decision. Failure to so comply will warrant the imposition of a heavier penalty.